Welcome to today's session. Today our topic is algebraic expression. See, I'm going to define algebraic expression. I need some basic definitions. Those are constant, second one variable, and the third one is term. Okay, my dear student, what do you mean by constant? A constant is a symbol which has a fixed value. Then that is called a constant. See, for example, the numbers 2, -3, √7, pi, etc. These are all fixed values. Is it correct? That's why these are called constants. Okay. Then what do you mean by variable? A variable is a symbol which does not have a fixed value, isn't it? So such type of values are called variables. And one thing we have to notice here, that is variables are actually denoted by alphabets. For example, x, y, z, p, q, any alphabets you can use. Then there is a note. What is that note means? We have considered constant and variables. What about the combination of a constant and variable? Let's see once. Suppose I will consider 2 plus x. Here I have taken first one is constant and second one is variable. What about their combination? In case, suppose if I give different values for x, its value will be changed. That's why combination of a constant and a variable is always a variable. This is one example. Another example also you can take. Suppose 5x. Here I have taken 5 is a constant and x is a variable, and I have taken the product of constant and variable. Suppose goes on, you are giving the values for x different values, its value will be changed. So it is also a variable. By this one, what we can conclude here? Combination of a constant and variable is always variable. Suppose combination of 2 or more variables, what happens? Let's see once. This is first note. Second note is, suppose x plus y. Here x is one variable, y is also another variable. What about their sum? It is a obviously variable, isn't it? Because x is variable, y is also variable, therefore their sum is also variable. It is first case. In that, suppose I will consider 4 plus x. Here I have taken 4 plus x is a variable and plus 4 minus x. This is also one variable. What about their sum? You remove the brackets. What happens? 4 plus x here plus 4 minus x, isn't it? So here plus x minus x get cancel each other. So what about their sum? 4 plus 4 is 8. It means I have considered two variables, but their combination, their sum is a constant. So it means we can conclude that combination of two or more variables is either variable or constant. Okay. Next, what do you mean by a term? Term means it is a number or a variable or combination of constant and variable. Such a variables or such a constants are called terms. So see, for example, I will consider 2. 2 is a one term. This is first example. Second example, I will consider x into y. Here product of two variables. It is also one term. Then x square plus x square into y. This is also one of the term. Okay, now you understood. Now this is the definition of a term. Then how we can define an algebraic expression? See, my dear students, algebraic expression can be defined as it is a combination of two or more terms or a single term also. So it is a single term or combination of two or more terms, combination of two or more terms which are connected by additive. See, what do you mean by additive? You already know. Additive means both addition and subtraction. That is called additive. Okay. Or and multiplication. Okay, addition. See, multiplicative. Multiplicative means either it is multiplication or division. Okay. Then the symbols forms an algebraic expression. Okay. See, it is nothing but it is a single term or combination of two or more terms is nothing but which are connected by a additive or multiplicative symbol forms an algebraic expression. See, for example, you can say 5 is also a term. We know that. Is it correct? So a single term. So we may call this is also an algebraic expression. This is first example. Second example, x square plus 2y. Here x square is one term, 2y is another term. Now we have considered two terms which are connected by addition, and that is a combination of two or more terms which are connected by which operation? Addition operation. Then another example, x minus y. Here x is one variable or x is one term, y is another term which are combined by the which operation? Subtraction. Okay. Then 4xy, this is one term, plus 2x, this is also another term. These are all the examples of an algebraic expression. Okay.